Believe me. Did you watch that on Fox? Was that amazing though? Look, this is what I love about Donald Trump. Donald J. Trump, President Trump. Steady result. He told Sean Hannity, he goes, I don't give a damn if the weather or not. All right, if this thing doesn't go off till 4 o'clock in the morning, we're going to do this. 2:50, and we're going to put fireworks and everything. They're going to be the largest. As a matter of fact, he said, I'm going to set the Guinness Book of World Records of fireworks, and he did. Damn near 1 million fireworks. It was incredible. That's what I love about President Trump, man. You know, he teaches us 2 things. His resolve, you know. Okay, something blows up, doesn't work out right, well, keep pressing it. That's what he does, until it works, until it sticks or works. That's what President Trump does. He will not take no for an answer, and I don't blame him. I won't either. Forward, march. I love my president. I really do. He's got thick skin. He's tough as nails. And, well, we're going to do this one way or another. Anyway, that's the way he looks at things. So we're going to win in the process. Thank you, and have a good night. I love Donald Trump. It's just the way he is. Something about it. I dig it. I dig his thought process. All right, everybody. Have a good night. God bless America. See you next July 4th, I guess, on that one. But can we try to work together and do some good things instead of trying to do communistic and dumb bullshit and all this stupid shit. Yeah, can we get it together as a country? Don't you think we should? Stop all this nonsense. LBGQ, LMNOP, whatever. It's just dumb. It's interference. Why? You know God made you a male or a female. You know what to do. It's rooted inside you. You're not that big of a whack job. Now come on, let's get it together, people. Everybody have a good day. Bye.